Most seniors people think that eggs are the gold standard for protein, but they have been misled. What would you say if I told you that the food ranked third on our list today contains 5 times more protein per 100 grams than eggs? And that's not even the strongest one, because today, the number one food will be revealed. It contains even more, and it's so powerful that scientists are studying it to reverse muscle loss in stroke patients. Eggs provide only about 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. But the foods in this video go far beyond that, with some reaching up to 60 grams. And here's the scary truth. 99% of older adults aren't even aware of their existence. Meanwhile, muscle mass quietly disappears after the age of 60, leading to weakness, slow walking, and even falls. In TSBDO, we explain 6 foods that contain more protein than eggs. Before we begin, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and how your energy levels have been lately. We read every comment and respond to them. Chapter 1. Greek Yogurt, the creamy protein powerhouse for seniors. Let's start with this. 1 cup of Greek yogurt contains nearly double the protein of regular yogurt. We're talking about 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein. And here's the kicker. It's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. Now, why does this matter more? As we age, something sneaky happens. Our bodies become less efficient at using the protein we eat to rebuild muscle. That means you need more and better protein than ever before. Enter Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt also contains something even more powerful than protein. Leucine. This particular amino acid acts like a light switch for muscle repair. When you consume leucine, it tells your body, hey, time to build muscle. And guess what? Greek yogurt is loaded with it. But the benefits don't stop there. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which supports bone health, a double win for seniors looking to stay strong and stable. And its probiotics. These healthy bacteria boost digestion, reduce inflammation, and even support immunity, which tends to weaken with age. Still, many people make one big mistake. They buy Greek yogurt loaded with sugar and flavorings. If your yogurt tastes like dessert, it's probably not helping your muscles. Look for plain, full-fat, or low-fat Greek yogurt, and add your own healthy toppings like berries, honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Have Greek yogurt within 30 to 60 minutes after light exercise or walking. This is when your muscles are most ready to absorb nutrients and rebuild. Greek yogurt, iasente. Just a snack, it's a daily act of. It's creamy, comforting, and most importantly, clinically proven to support lean muscle maintenance in older adults. So next time you're in the grocery store, skip the sugar-laden snacks and reach for a tub of plain Greek yogurt. It could be the simplest and tastiest step you take toward regaining strength, stamina, and confidence in your body. Chapter 2. Quinoa, the ancient grain that rebuilds muscle naturally. Imagine a grain so powerful that ancient warriors used it to fuel themselves for battle. No, it's not a myth. This supergrain is called quinoa, and it could be your muscle rebuilding miracle after 60. Now, you might be thinking, isn't quinoa just another trendy health food? Far from it. Quinoa has been nourishing civilizations for over 5,000 years, and today it might be one of the most complete plant-based sources of protein available. A single cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of high-quality protein, and just like Greek yogurt, it's a complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. That's extremely rare in the plant world. And for those who are reducing red meat or dairy, quinoa is a gentle, digestion-friendly way to get what your muscles desperately need. But there's more. Quinoa is also packed with magnesium, a nutrient that many seniors unknowingly lack, and that's a hidden danger. Why? Because magnesium plays a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Without it, you might experience cramps, stiffness, or even trouble sleeping due to restless legs. And here's a surprise. Quinoa also has a generous dose of iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles. More oxygen equals more energy and endurance, even during short walks or housework. And here's something even more exciting. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free and meaning it won't spike your blood sugar. That makes it perfect for seniors managing diabetes or weight concerns. Let's not forget, every time you include a grain like quinoa in your diet, you're feeding your body the tools it needs to stay mobile, strong, and independent. So the next time you're choosing between white rice or pasta, make the switch to this ancient powerhouse, because quinoa isn't just food, it's a natural ally in your fight against aging and muscle decline. Chapter 3. Pumpkin Seeds. Tiny seeds with giant muscle-building power. When you think of powerful muscle foods, pumpkin seeds probably aren't the first thing that come to mind. But here's the truth. These tiny green gems are one of nature's most concentrated sources of muscle-supporting nutrients. And after 60, they might just become your secret weapon. Just a small handful of pumpkin seeds contains nearly 7 grams of protein. That's nearly as much as one egg, but these seeds bring even more to the table. First up is magnesium, and pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources on Earth. Magnesium isn't just good for your bones and heart. It's absolutely critical for muscle function. In fact, without enough magnesium, your muscles can cramp, weaken, or even stop repairing properly after daily activity. But there's more. These little seeds also contain zinc, an underrated mineral that helps repair tissue and supports your immune system. Zinc is especially important for seniors because it helps your body recover from exercise, prevent illness, and even regulate hormones like testosterone, which plays a small but essential role in muscle strength for both men and women. And then there is a healthy fat, particularly omega-6, and a touch of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are not only heart-friendly, but they help reduce inflammation, which is one of the hidden enemies of aging muscles. Less inflammation equals less stiffness, less pain, and more energy to move and enjoy life. Many seniors are surprised when they realize how much these tiny seeds can do. But don't let their size fool you. They pack a mighty punch. In fact, researchers have started calling pumpkin seeds functional food, meaning they don't just feed you. They actively heal and support your body. Some flavored or roasted pumpkin seeds can be high in salt or coated in sugar. For maximum benefits, choose raw or dry-roasted pumpkin seeds without added ingredients. Think of them as tiny tools working inside your body, restoring, repairing, and rebuilding, one bite at a time. So the next time you feel tired, sore, or weak, reach for a handful of pumpkin seeds. They're not just snacks, they're a natural remedy for aging muscles. Coming up next, we're diving into something completely unexpected, a blue-green algae that's been called the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. Ready to meet Chapter 4. Spirulina. The blue-green algae that fights fatigue and frailty. Spirulina, a blue-green algae that grows in freshwater lakes, is a nutrient powerhouse so concentrated that NASA once considered it as space food for astronauts, and today, it could be the game-changer your aging muscles are desperately craving. Yes, spirulina. This natural superfood is often sold as a green powder or in tiny tablets, and it's making waves in senior nutrition for one huge reason. Protein density. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina powder contains 4 grams of complete protein, and when it comes to absorption, your body uses spirulina's protein more efficiently than even beef or eggs. That's a big deal. But what really sets spirulina apart from other protein sources is what comes with it. It's not just food, it's a cocktail of life-giving nutrients. Iron to keep your energy and red blood cells strong. B vitamins, including B12, which is often lacking in seniors and vital for nerve and brain health. Chlorophyll, which detoxifies and energizes your cells. Phycocyanin, a unique antioxidant that fights inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major culprits behind weakness, stiffness, and frailty as we age. And here's the kicker. Studies show that spirulina can improve muscle endurance and reduce fatigue, especially in older adults who feel like they run out of gas faster than they used to. Now, let's talk safety. Spirulina is generally safe when sourced from trusted, organic suppliers, but because it absorbs nutrients, and sometimes toxins from the water it grows in, cheap spirulina can be contaminated. Look for third-party tested, organic brands to ensure purity and safety. Think of spirulina as nature's multivitamin in food form. You're not just feeding your muscles, you're nourishing your cells, fighting fatigue, and rebuilding from the inside out. So if you're feeling drained, sluggish, or weak, maybe it's time to give this algae superhero a chance to recharge your energy and reignite your strength. Next up, we'll talk about a seed that's been called the perfect protein. It's soft, nutty, and full of omega-3 South. Chapter 5. Hemp Seeds, nature's perfect protein for aging. Tiny, soft, and slightly nutty, hemp seeds might not look like much, but these little kernels are one of the most perfectly balanced, muscle-rebuilding foods nature has ever created, especially for seniors over 60. Hemp seeds are a gentle but mighty ally in the battle against muscle loss, joint pain, and low energy. Let's start with the most important reason to love them. Hemp seeds are a complete protein. That's right. Like quinoa, Greek yogurt, and spirulina, hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids. Your body needs to build and repair muscle, but here's what makes them even more unique. Just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds give you about 10 grams of high-quality plant protein, and they're super easy for the body to digest, especially for seniors whose digestion might not be as strong as it once was. But protein is just the beginning. Hemp seeds are also rich in omega-2, and omega-6 fatty acids, in the perfect 3-to-1 ratio your body needs. These essential fats help reduce inflammation in joints and muscles, improve circulation, helping nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently, support a healthy brain and heart, both of which are essential to staying strong and sharp as you age. But here's a word of warning. Not all hemp products are created equal. Avoid heavily processed hemp protein powders that have added sugar or unnecessary fillers. Stick with raw, whole hemp seeds to get the maximum benefit in its most natural form. The truth is, hemp seeds are the quiet hero of plant-based nutrition. They're not flashy, they're not trendy, but they are incredibly effective and often overlooked by those who need them the most. So if you've been feeling stiff, sore, or weaker than you used to, consider adding a spoonful or 2 of hemp seeds to your daily meals. They're small, but they're powerful, and they might just be the secret ingredient your body's been waiting for. Chapter 6. Parmesan Cheese, the forgotten dairy gem with muscle-rebuilding benefits. Parmesan cheese isn't just a flavor enhancer, it's a hidden powerhouse for muscle support, especially after 60. While many people shy away from cheese due to its fat content or sodium levels, Parmesan stands in a category of its own. Why? Well, because it's one of the most protein-rich cheeses available, and it offers an extremely high concentration of nutrients in small amounts. About 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan delivers 10 grams of complete protein, over 30% of your daily calcium need, a significant amount of vitamin A, phosphorus, and zinc. First, protein. You already know how critical it is for seniors to get enough high-quality protein to combat age-related muscle loss. But sometimes chewing tough meat or digesting large meals can be a challenge. Parmesan offers a concentrated burst of muscle-building fuel that's easy to eat and digest, especially in its grated form. Next, there's calcium and phosphorus, the dynamic duo of bone health. Strong muscles need strong bones to support them, and Parmesan delivers both in a natural, bioavailable form. This isn't a supplement, it's real food your body can actually use. And here's the best part. Parmesan is an aged cheese, which makes it naturally low in lactose. That means even those with mild dairy sensitivities often tolerate it well. No bloating, no discomfort, just delicious, nourishing bites. Parmesan does contain sodium, but because the flavor is so rich, you only need a small amount to make a big difference. It actually helps you eat less salt overall. You get flavor and nutrition in one. One of the greatest benefits of Parmesan is its portability and shelf life. You don't need a fridge full of groceries to use it. It lasts for weeks, and a little goes a long way. Perfect for simple, nutrient-dense meals that nourish your muscles without a fuss. Think of Parmesan as a secret seasoning with a purpose. It's not just there to make your food taste good. It's there to help you feel stronger, more stable, and more energized. So don't overlook this ancient cheese. It's time to put Parmesan back on the plate, not just for taste, but for strength, vitality, and longevity. You've just discovered 6 incredible foods: Greek yogurt, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, spirulina, hemp seeds, and Parmesan cheese, each a natural powerhouse to help rebuild your muscles, boost your energy, and support your body after 60. But more importantly, you've taken a huge step toward reclaiming your strength and vitality. Muscle loss, as we age, isn't inevitable. It's a health time bomb that can be diffused. And the way to diffuse it isn't with magic pills or complicated workouts. It's with simple, everyday choices. Choices like adding these forgotten foods to your meals, nourishing your body with the fuel it truly needs. This journey, is yours to own. Every meal is an opportunity to say yes to strength, independence, and a life filled with energy and joy. It's never too late to start, and every small change counts. I want you to imagine yourself 6 months from now. Imagine feeling steadier on your feet, stronger when you stand up from a chair, and more confident in your body. Picture waking up with more energy to enjoy your favorite activities and time with loved ones. Before you go, I encourage you to like this video. If you found it helpful, it helps others find this important message too. Subscribe to the channel for weekly tips and support tailored especially for seniors who want to thrive. Share your location and experiences in the comments. Let's build a supportive community of people who uplift and encourage each other. Remember, you're not alone on this path. Thousands of seniors are rediscovering their strength every day by embracing simple, powerful foods and habits. So, start today. Pick one of the 6 foods we talked about. Add it to your next meal. Notice how your body feels. Then keep going. Your muscles, your energy, your life, they're worth it. Thank you for spending this time with me. I can't wait to hear your stories, see your progress, and keep supporting you every step of the way. Stay strong, stay vibrant, and see you soon.